And transformations are like reflection, enlargement, rotation. And we also have translation. But translation does not use matrices. The others, they use matrices. Now, so if you are given a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and two columns, we can transform an object into an image by multiplying using the rules of matrices. So for example, if the matrix is a arbitrary matrix M, A, B, C, D, and the object is X, Y, the image will be, A times X plus B times Y. So AX plus BY. Then, once we are through with A and B, we go to C and D. Just C takes the position of A. CX plus DY. So the image, this is the image, but it has to be written in a raw form and plotted. But since this is an arbitrary one, it cannot be plotted. So let's try a real object. Find the image of triangle ABC, where A is 1, 1, B is 1, 3, and C is 4, 1. Under the transformation matrix, this one. So what we do, we write the object here, A, B, C. Now, what we do, we can do it one by one also. 1, A is 1, 1. 1 times 2, so 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 2 times 1. Zero times 1 plus 1 times 1. We get the image of A as one times 1 is 1 plus 2. That gives us 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, 0 times 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 times 1 is 1. That is the image of A. Now, what about B? We do the same. We write here. So the image of A is written as 3, 1. We do the same with the B. 1, 2, 0, 1. B is 1, 3. We do the same, this by this one by this one. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 times 3. 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3. 0 times 1 plus 1 times 3. We get 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, 0 plus 3 is 3. So this is B, but it is written as B 7, 3. Okay. Now we do the same with C. B is 7, 3. We do the same with C. C is 4, 1. As usual, 1 times 4, that is 4. 4 plus 2 times 1. It would be better if we used the calculator because it knows board mass. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 times 1 is 6. 0 times 4 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So the image of C is therefore 6, 1. And then we plot on the Cartesian plane. That's the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Because there are no negative values, we don't concern ourselves with the other values. Now, we are not concerning ourselves with negative values because there are no negative values here. So we plot A as 1, 1, B as 1, 3, C as 4, 1, 4, 1. Then we join with a ruler. The image is A prime, 3, 1. B prime, 7, 3. Then C prime is 6, 1. So that is the image. That is the image of this triangle under this transformation matrix. So that is or we can do it once instead of doing it step by step. This is what we can do. We can write here B as 1, 3 to save us time. C is 4, 1. Now, the image will be here. Now, we can do everything once. 1 times 1, 1. Plus 2 times 1. That will be 2. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So we can continue with all that. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 2 times 3, 6. That gives us 7. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 times 1 is 6. Now, here it's very easy because the top values are multiplied by 0 and the bottom ones are multiplied by 1. So what happens is that the values up there will all be zeros and the ones down will be multiplied by 1. So they will remain the same, 1, 3, 1. And the image will be 3, 1 for A prime, 7, 3, and 6, 1. So you can use, therefore, a 2 by 2 matrix to transform any figure into another figure or any point onto another point.